Hello, everybody. This is just a short tutorial video to help you better understand the new system that the DTL has implemented for using your institution's password to get access to the DTL resources. So, just like everything, you just start from where you're searching. So, for example, I'll do this search. Then you'll find in the catalog all of the different resources. Once you find one that you want to use, you just click on it, either the available online or the title itself. And then here in the view online section, sometimes you have to scroll down, but for the most part, it's pretty visible. But here, it'll give you the options where you can view it. What you do is you click on it, and it'll take you to this page. Now, this is the page that's changed a little bit. So before you would click and there would be a drop down and you'd find your institution. But as the DTL has grown, this can be a little cumbersome. So what we've decided to do instead is have you begin to type your institution and then the options will appear beneath. So for example, if you go to central, you'll start typing central and notice how it's kind of giving you different options based on these first three letters. So all these have CEN in them. And as you continue to type, they will get less and less. But you don't need to finish typing. You can just, once these appear, you can find your institution and you need to click on it. Don't continue typing. Just find your institution, click on it. So, for example, we'll do Central Baptist here. You click on it, and then you'll see that it gives you options to sign in. So you have the login with the single sign in. Now, not every institution has that. So, for example, you go to Gammon, again, you begin typing, it'll pop up, you click it, and so this institution has an access code. So you put in your access code, type login, and then you'll be able, or click login, and you'll be able to access the resource. So all the different institutions have a different way to sign in. Some of them are similar, some of them are a little different. But the key is to make sure that you begin typing and then find your institution and select it, click it. So Claremont School of Theology is different than Claremont Lincoln. So I hope that helps. Again, if you don't know your access code or you're having problems, you can click on this link and it'll help you get in touch with your librarian and they can help you out. Hope everyone has a wonderful day and continue enjoying the DTL.